First of all, we'll go through the parts of the microscope. At the top, we have the eyepiece. Normally, the eyepiece is marked X10 or 10x. That means it has a magnification of 10. As we move down, we have the nose piece. The nose piece revolves so that the different power lenses can be used. The lenses, the power of the lenses, this one is the low power lens, normally marked on them. This one happens to be a X10 lens. To work out the magnification, if you're using the X10 lens, you multiply 10 by 10 to give a magnification of 100. The medium power lens, which I'm switching in now, is an X20 lens. That would be X10, 10x by 20, which would be 200 magnification. And the high power lens would be a 40 by 10, which is 400 magnification. So with the eyepiece lens at the top, we have the objective lenses down here. Below that is the stage or the platform. There are clips here to hold the slide in position. Over here we have the coarse focus. As you rotate the coarse focus, the stage or platform moves up or moves down accordingly. And then down below we have the fine focus in here. Fine focus knob. Somewhere there will be a light, or some microscopes may have a mirror. This one happens to have a light, so we make sure that's on. Underneath the stage, if I just tilt it up, underneath the stage in here we have an object called the diaphragm. And the diaphragm can rotate to allow different levels of light to pass through up into the eyepiece. So that adjusts the light intensity. That can produce a clearer image or a less clear image, as the case might be. So that's the diaphragm. To use the microscope, we first of all start always with the low power lens, and we rotate the stage down to its lowest position. Taking a prepared slide, we just place it on the stage and just center it over the light in the middle. Clip it into position with the clips. And you then bring the stage up as far as possible. Rotate the stage up as far as possible. It will stop. There is a locking mechanism built in, so it will stop at a certain point. You then bring your eye down to the eyepiece, a little distance from it, and you start to focus. And focusing with the coarse focus, turning it very slightly, it should come into focus. When you want to see it at medium power, you simply click in the medium power lens. And again, a slight focus should do it. And when you want to observe at high power, you click in the high power lens. And again, this time, fine focus. For the high power lens, fine focus. The danger would be if you use the coarse focus, you would crack the slide or damage the slide, and in fact maybe even damage the lens. So fine focus in this case, and the image should come into focus.